Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use motion tracking feature on InShot application. Okay, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and for example, I'm going to track this girl, the girl in the video. And if you want to track a moving object, we have to use text or emoji or maybe sticker. And for example, I'm going to use text, so I'm going to add text to this video. I'm going to add follow me like this. Okay, and I'm going to place this text right here, and I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, and after that we can click on the check mark button, and I'm going to extend the text. Okay, and here we can click on the tracking option right here. Okay, and I'm going to select this one, and we're going to place the circle to the object that we want to track. Like this, you can adjust the size of the circle as well according to the size of the object, and after that we can click on start tracking. Okay, now and you have to wait until the process completed. Okay, and now the tracking has been completed, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result. Okay, you can also customize the distance. You just need to drag the text like this. Okay, and here is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can use motion tracking feature on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.